So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this video I will show you the battery review of iOS 16.3 RC that Apple recently released. Lot of iPhone user asking about the battery drain or not on iOS 16.3. So let's start video without wasting any time and see the battery drain or not on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just open iPhone setting. You can see appears on screen. Scroll down. Tap on battery. Firstly, check the battery health. Tap on battery health. You can see appears on screen maximum capacity showing here 98%. Just go back and now check the last charge. You can see appears on screen last charge 98% on Monday. This is the 2 day ago battery charge. You can see appears on screen showing all activity that recently using battery. So basically overall review is that iOS 16.3 battery is very good on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So you can easily install without any issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how's the battery of iOS 16.3 RC on my iPhone or any iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.